So it's a warm summer's evening, very little wind, and we're a piece of heathland on the Suffolk coast near the village of Dunwich. I've come out to listen to the most amazing bird song. That's one calling just in the thicket. There we go, just in there. It's a chaffinch calling on the left, but here, that really throaty thrush, varied notes. Not that one, this one. Of course, that's a nightingale. So nightingales, incredibly secretive, very rare. Big population decline over the last 20 or 30 years. But in certain spots in southern and east England, you can still go out early to mid-May in the evening, and if you're lucky enough, you can hear them calling. Isn't that a fantastic sound? Just try and get a bit closer. They're a really nondescript brown bird, but very shy and secretive. They like this kind of rough heathland area, but with overgrown hawthorn thickets, just like this here. Right, let's tune in. So that's the nightingale. Oh, God. What a privilege. I hope you're enjoying that. No, I think that's all we're going to get. Anyway, that was a joy to hear.